There is enormous potential, not only for Fijian business in PNG, but for PNG business in Fiji. So our trade and investment delegation is here to build on the opportunities available for both Fijian and PNG companies and to create better trade and investment links for the benefit of both our nations. Yesterday, I witnessed the acquisition of shares in B-Mobile, PNG, by the Fiji National Provident Fund, the FNPF. This is an indication of Fiji's commitment to PNG and the region, and a manifestation of the growing investment opportunities between our two countries. A number of Fijian companies have invested in PNG, and this mission includes many more who are interested in doing the same. As for PNG investment in Fiji, it exceeded more than 218 million between 2005 and 2012. And recent projects such as the Grand Pacific Hotel, the Pearl Resort, and Bank of South Pacific are clear evidence of confidence Papua New Guinea has in Fijian economy and my government's policies. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable ministers, Fiji has become a more attractive destination for foreign investment. In order to reduce the cost of doing business, my government has amended and modernized laws to reduce bureaucracy and red tape in the trade and investment systems and processes. We are also acting decisively to improve our infrastructure, which is crucial for trade and in development, including adequate port facilities and roads. In the 2013 budget, I announced a major spending initiative of $420 million, the single largest in Fiji's history, to fix our road network, ports and bridges, which have been neglected for many years. My government in the next few weeks will announce far-reaching reforms in the management of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited to bring about efficiency benchmarked to international standards in order to maximize and facilitate trade. Business also needs state-of-the-art communications. So we are upgrading our information technology systems to pave the way for the introduction of a portal for e-services. This will enable most government services to go online and be hosted on a single platform. This will include investment approval agencies and applications for foreign investment registration certificates. The most exciting development as part of this project is the creation of a national switch called Fiji Pay, to which all key agencies, including banks and financial institutions, will be required to connect to. This interchange network will facilitate easier and inexpensive electronic transactions. This will also allow competitors to more easily join the market. We have simplified the tax system to make it more transparent and eliminate fraud and tax evasion. The Fijian corporate tax is one of the lowest at 20%, with a further reduced corporate tax rate of 17% for foreign companies that establish regional or global headquarters in Fiji. The ANZ Bank, for instance, has already taken advantage of this incentive by shifting its regional headquarters from Melbourne to Fiji. The tax-free regions in the northern part of Fiji and the recently announced region from the eastern to the northwestern area in Vitilevu provides for companies to enjoy tax-free status for 13 years and 20 years if the investment is in the dairy industry. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, Fiji is in the process of putting in place a new constitution, with extensive public consultation taking place as I speak. For the first time, we will have a document that recognizes all Fijians as equal. It provides for not only civil and political rights, but also a wide range of socio-economic rights. It will enshrine a number of accountability provisions, including the Fiji Independent Commission Against Corruption. It gives more powers to the independent judiciary and have transparent and accountable obligations placed on public office holders. Indeed, the commitment by the Prime Minister, the Honourable Peter O'Neill, yesterday, of a $15 million Kina grant to assist in the 2014 Fijian elections under the new constitution is most appreciated and welcomed. My government looks forward to working with the government of Papua New Guinea and other Pacific nations to further strengthen our social, economic and political rights and ties. Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to see the strong interest in this mission generated from both sides. There is a comprehensive program to enable businesses to get all the information they need, and I urge all of you to take advantage of the opportunities presented. I especially encourage Papua New Guinea businesses and the public to visit the exhibition that showcases the offerings of Fijian businesses.